Welcome back, friends. Today, I'm unveiling the hottest trending niche that's storming social media, runway baby videos. And when you see the incredible results creators are getting with these videos on YouTube, you'll be blown away. As you can see, this YouTube channel gained an impressive 72,000 subscribers with just 78 videos. And every one of these videos is racking up thousands, even millions of views. This isn't just on YouTube. If you search for these types of videos on Instagram, you'll see the same incredible results. Many viewers might wonder how this account helps the creator earn thousands of dollars. Well, here's the secret. They link to their digital product store, effortlessly driving millions of visitors and earning thousands of dollars every month. Creating these videos is so simple that you can make 70 within just 2 days. In just 3 steps, I'll show you how to create these trending videos. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll reveal a powerful trick to go viral like this channel, guarantee monetization, and start earning thousands of dollars every month. The first step is to generate image prompts, and for that I'll be using ChatGPT. To begin, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. Then click on the second link in the search results. I'm already logged into ChatGPT, and if you're lazy like me, here's the easiest way to generate images like these. Just use the built-in Windows snipping tool or download a simple tool. It's super easy to download and even easier to use. After opening the tool, I'll simply click on New. If I like this image and want to create a similar one, I'll take a quick screenshot of it. I will save it to my desktop. After that, I'll import the screenshot into ChatGPT and add some key details so it responds with an accurate image prompt matching the screenshot. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated an image prompt identical to the screenshot. I'll copy this prompt and head over to the text-to-image AI tool, Leonardo AI. Now click on Launch App. To use this tool, you can instantly log in with the Gmail account connected to your browser. Leonardo AI is one of the most advanced text-to-image AI tools, offering 150 free credits that renew every day. After logging in, click on the Image Generation button. Now review all the settings. Under Image Dimensions, click on More, then select 9:16, which is ideal for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Now I'll paste the prompt here and click on the Generate button. Leonardo will generate 4 different variations based on the prompt. As you can see, within seconds, Leonardo has generated 4 variations that are very similar to the screenshot we captured. But I've created my own prompts, and you can find the link to these prompts in the comment section. And if you've noticed, I've created country-specific Baby King prompts because these are more engaging and effectively grab viewers' attention. Now, to generate images using these prompts, I'll be using 2 of the most advanced text-to-image AI tools. Using 2 tools will help you decide which one suits you best for creating the most realistic results. The first AI tool is Leonardo AI, which we've already used in this video, and the second one is Ideogram AI. Now let's copy the first prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. With the same settings, I will click on Generate. Leonardo will take some time and cost 24 credits to generate the images. Meanwhile, I'll head over to Ideogram AI and use the same prompt to generate images. In the same way, I will directly log in with Gmail. After logging in, I'll paste the same prompt into Ideogram AI and compare the results from both AI tools. After pasting the prompt, select the 9:16 ratio, choose the realistic mode to create lifelike images, and then click on the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the images, and when I show you the results from Leonardo AI, you'll be amazed. These Baby King images are truly impressive. Let's check the Ideogram AI result. As you can see, these images are also impressive. You can choose the best text-to-image AI tool that suits your needs, or even use both for maximum creativity. Now, I'll copy and paste each of these prompts into both AI tools and download only the best images. I'll show you the results once all the images are generated. Here are the images I've generated, and the next step is to bring them to life. Step 2 is image to video. Now I'll use 2 of the most advanced image to video AI tools, Hoodie AI and Runway ML. I will head over to the Hoodie AI. I'm already logged in. Hoodie AI offers 100 free credits daily to all users and 1,100 bonus credits for new users. Hoodie AI is one of the most advanced text and image to video AI tools. As you can see, creators are producing ultra-realistic videos with it. Now, to generate videos from images, click on the Try Now button. As you can see, there are 2 options, image to video and text to video. Since we already have the images, we'll proceed with the image to video option. I've imported the image and will add some keywords to ensure Hoodie AI generates the video accordingly. Make sure to select the i2v01e model, set the quantity to 1, and then click on the Generate button. Hoodie AI will take some time to generate the videos, but we can submit up to 3 images at the same time to generate the videos. With the free plan, you can generate up to 3 videos per day. If you want to generate more, you can log in with multiple Gmail accounts to get additional credits. I've submitted the 3 videos to Hoodie AI, and now I'll head over to Runway ML. I'm already logged in, and to generate the videos, click on Try Now. Runway ML offers 125 free credits to all new users. After that, I'll import the image and add the same key information as we used in Leonardo AI. After that, I'll leave all the settings as they are and click on the Generate button. As you can see, Runway ML is processing the image and will generate the video within a few seconds. Here are the results from both AI tools, and they are amazing. However, I'd rate Leonardo AI a solid 10 by 10 and Runway ML a 9 by 10, as the videos from Leonardo AI are just on another level. Now, in the same way, I will import the other images into both AI tools to generate the videos. If the results don't turn out as expected, I will regenerate them. Here are the videos I've generated using Leonardo AI and Runway ML. Now, step 3 is to combine these videos seamlessly using a video editor. Step 3 is using CapCut for video editing. You can use any video editor, but I'll be using CapCut because it's free and user-friendly. I opened CapCut and imported all the videos we generated. After that, I'll import each clip into the timeline. The next step is to add the country names, so I'll add text to each clip accordingly. After that, I will add the country names to each video clip. I have added the text to the first clip, and in the same way, I will add it to each remaining clip. I have added the country names to each video clip. The next step is to add transitions to enhance this video. For music, I will be using Pixabay's copyright-free music. I searched for baby music, and I liked the first result, so I'll download it. I have imported the music to CapCut and added it to the timeline. After that, I will adjust the music position to match perfectly with the video clips. Now I will crop each clip to ensure it looks perfect. The video is ready, and I will export it to my desktop. Make sure to export the video in a higher resolution so that it looks clear and beautiful. Now let's check the final results. If you've learned something new from this video, please give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means the world to us.